Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Casey Trades. Just going to do a quick recap, kind of education video here. So you guys know I recently took KO puts, if you watched my last video, because it had this candlestick setup here at the top. So this is called an evening star candlestick setup, which is a bearish reversal. You want to go to the downside. So when you see a nice green run all the way up here and you see this at the top, going to look for puts to go to the downside. So took those puts, I got 35% yesterday, swung them into today, got 55%. So let me switch it over here. So an evening star, if you don't know what this is, I highly recommend it. It's my favorite bearish candlestick setup, and 9 times out of 10, I slap it every time. So big green candle on the left, red kind of doji or bearish candle in the middle, could be like a shooting star. Most of the time it's a doji, and then you get a big body red candle on the right side to match the candle on the left, right? So right here, same thing. Get the uptrend, get the evening star 3 candle setup, and you get the move back to the downside here. So let me flip it back over here. So essentially that's what we have here on KO setting up. So let me flip it over to the Discord. So here in the morning, got the 50% on the KO here. So that same evening star setup, right? So today we took IWM puts at 10:25 in the morning. And why did we take IWM puts when it was the strongest freaking thing? Well, what do you have here? Right, you got that big green candle on the left. You have that neutral, usually a doji candle right there in the middle, and then a big body red candle on the right side. So what did I do right at 10:25? I end up taking these puts right here, took 222 puts, and these were my targets downside. First target around here was 223. First target was actually to retest the EMAs, just for a little bit of scalp. It was a scalp that turned into a really good day trade. Just to hold the puts all the way going into the close. So it was super extended after the huge run this morning. When I saw that bearish setup there, then took the puts. And shout out to one of the members in the Discord who pointed this out. So was looking for a retest down here, hit the EMAs 9 and 21, and then we'll go from there. And it kind of lined up after the 21 right here because this was a previous day's high right here. And then wanted to go all the way down to 222 eventually, which they did to get those 222 puts in the money. So again, this candlestick right here at 10:25. If I flip over here, we'll go over to the Discord. Was on the live stream just like this with TradingView and everything going. So there's the KO. Took Apple. Oh yeah, Apple was fun. Hit 232 right in the morning. Got some calls. Took it for a nice little scalp. I'm in target, blah, 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 right here. Here's the Apple. Just went back and forth, just hit the calls every freaking time right here. Only hit the ones and then took it up to 233. So, right here. So, IWM, 222 puts November 1st. It was just a scalp initially. Right here is at 10:26. My order, it was 10:25 and like 50-something seconds. And then was able to send the alert out right there. So got him at 117, 135, hit the first target 20%, got half out, and then all the way down here it is. So, and then I'll let the team know this is the reason why. Evening star, put entry here on this candle, and then hit the, look, same targets downside, same chart from earlier. 40%, and I'm going down here, and then going into end of the day right here. Finally in the money for 187. I was all out for $1.90. They kept on going. IWM went even lower if you looked at that chart going into the close. When it hit 222 here, this is where I exited for 190. They went to like 215 after that. So almost maybe 217, close to about $100 per contract gain. So my favorite bearish candlestick setup of all time, which like I said, 9 times out of 10 I'm going to hit. It's that evening star right there at the top. So that was a trade of the day. Used it to get the KO puts for 50%, and then got 65% on the IWM here intraday off this same candlestick setup on different time frames on different stocks. So love to freaking see it. Just want to share that with you guys. That's it for me, and I'll catch you later.